Hey guys, it's me, Crazy Honda Chris, in the sales department at Randy Kuehl Honda in Cedar Rapids, Iowa. And here behind us, we're gonna have a 2022 Honda Civic Hatchback. I'm gonna be sharing some tips and tricks about this vehicle you guys may not know about. So when you guys have the vehicle, you pick it up, you'll be in the know. You won't be like 3 years down the road like, I didn't know that, right? If you guys have any questions, drop them down below in the comments. I'll do my best to answer those questions. You guys are in the market, here's my number. Give me a call. I'll show you guys how easy it is to join the Crazy Honda Chris family here at Randy Kuehl Honda, all right? Now let's get you guys the information so you be in the know now. All right, so here I am out running errands right now. I finally arrived at the dealership because I have a question or I want to check out a new car, but it doesn't matter. Let's talk about the electrical park and brake because I have a habit of that right now. So I got to where I'm going, I'm in park. I'm going to enable this by pushing my foot down on the brake and pulling that up. Red light to let me know it's on. They also have a red brake light right up here to say, hey, it's on, it's enabled. All right, shut off the car, I get out, do my stuff, I come back into the car, I turn the car on, park and brake still enabled. I don't have my seatbelt buckled in. I shift to park. I'm like, I'm just one of those guys. I want to put my seatbelt on as I'm pulling out the parking lot, right? Well, it won't release your parking brake. You actually have to put your foot down on the brake, push that in, and then it's off, all right? But now, did you know, all I have to do is buckle up, got my seatbelt on, put the vehicle to drive, step on the gas, and it automatically releases. There's the automatic release with an electrical park and brake. All right, so here's another good one here for you guys. Let's say you guys out there at the drive-in theaters, maybe sitting in the car in the dark waiting for someone. You don't want people like, hey, what's that guy doing out there in the car? Because, you know, his lights are on and not moving, right? Or enjoying the holiday lights. You want to do the courtesy, have your lights off, right? All the exterior lights. Well, you got your daytime running lights on right now, as you guys can clearly see right over here is, hey, can you turn those off? Can you turn off all the exterior lights? And the answer is yes, you can. Let me show you guys how to do that right now. So the first thing we're going to be doing is going to have the vehicle on at the moment, all right? We're going to come right down here to the electrical park and brake once again. We're going to turn that on by simply put your foot down on the brake, pull that up. You're going to know it's on from that point because you got the little brake light right on here, a little light down below, okay? Now what we're going to do is shut off the vehicle, put your foot down, back on the brake, start it right back up. Park and brake is still enabled. We're going to turn this to off. Then we're going to walk right out here. You guys will see that all of your exterior lights are off. There we go. No longer daytime running lights, headlights, or anything on. Now simply just release your parking brake from there. Then your headlights will come right back on from there. All right, so this one's gonna be for the trunk here for you folks. Let's say I got some supplies out in the trunk. I'm like, hey, Cameron, Zoe, Lucy, get out there and get the groceries. As I put them away, I just want to unlock the tailgate. That's it. I want the rest of the doors to remain locked for any particular reason. So everything's all locked up right now, as you guys can see. You have a little button right here in the fob. Let's go select that bad boy. It's just gonna unlock the tailgate. The rest of the doors will remain locked so the kids can get out here, open that up, makes it nice and easy. As you can see, this is all locked in there. So now let's say for another scenario, everything's locked too as well. I got the key fob with me. I come out here, put my hand right back here, push that button right in. It's going to allow me to release to get in and out. Rest of the doors will remain locked too as well. Now I'm all done from here. You have a little additional button right up there. You see this little button right here? Let's close this. Let's say the car's all unlocked right now. Let's get that key fob out, unlocked. As you guys can see, everyone got out. I grabbed our supplies as a family because we're happy. We got our groceries, our ice cream. Hit this button. There we go. Now it's all locked up again. Just from right there. Don't have to worry about hitting the lock button on the fob or anything. All right, guys, let's talk about the smart entry system now, which is going to be available here for the sport package and higher with the walkaway auto lock. All right, so I got my key fob here in my pocket. We're running out to the car. Maybe I got friends and family with me. I don't even think about it because we're deep in conversation, right? I put my hand in the handle and it unlocks the driver's side door. But the back door over here, the side doors will not unlock. Wouldn't it be cool if I could change that setting so all the doors automatically unlock? You can. Let me show you right now. All right, so we got the vehicle on right now. We're over here on the driver's interface at the moment on the left-hand side. Now to navigate through this, you get your little home menu right here as I'm going to select. So you guys know we're at the home. And then you get the little wheel right here to scroll up and down and push that into select. All right, so we're going to get up here to settings, select settings, scroll down till you get to keyless access setup. First thing's gonna pop right up there is gonna be door unlock mode. Let's select that. Right now it's set to driver door only. Select all doors. So now when you put your hand in the handle, boom, all doors automatically unlocked for you guys. All right, so let's say I got the key fob here with me and it has a dead battery in it, which, you know, on the driver's interface is gonna warn you when your battery's getting low. But for example, battery's dead, I can't get into the car because I can't hit unlock. I can't walk up to the car with the key fob here, put my hand in the handle. It's not going to sense that key fob close by. Well, what you're going to have to do is right here on the fob, as you guys can see, there's a button right there. You can simply pull that out by pushing that button in, then the key comes out. Now you can come right down here to the driver's side door. You don't see a keyhole or anything, but you open up that handle right there, down under below. You can simply put your key right in there. You can get in and out of your car, just like that. Hey guys, this is the courtesy tip here for you guys with the remote start. As you already know, to use remote start, all you have to do is hit lock here, hold this button down here for a few seconds, right? The remote start's gonna come right on. But let's say with winter coming up, I'm out there running errands and hanging out with the missus or whoever's be tag along that has that second key fob with me. Maybe we leave our key fob in there in that car, right? And I got it here and we're like, oh, we're all done doing our errands, stuff like that. Let's use the remote start to warm it up before we go. Well, as long as you have that second key fob in that car, you cannot activate remote start. So keep that in mind, plan ahead for this winter, okay? Let's get to the next tip. All right, so let's say it's really hot outside. We just got done doing what we're doing. We're about to run out to the car. You know what I'm saying? But it's gonna be really hot and stuffy inside. It would be nice to let it just sit there for a few minutes, air out. Well, you can do that right here with the key fob. All you have to do is hit lock, double tap, unlock, and hold that bad boy down for a few seconds. You'll see the windows, the moonroof, if you have it, will all open up. Just hold on to that. The longer you hold on, the more it opens up. Right there, nice and easy, okay? Now let's say if you want to shut off this feature, you can. Check out my video right up here. It's going to show you how to deactivate that just in case if you hold that button down. All right, there we go. So I'm out there driving around today. I had to go make multiple stops, running some errands. I got some supplies in the back seat right now. I'm at my second location, right? I shut off the car, I got the key fob still in my pocket. I get out, I shut the door, I run all the way inside. Then it hits me all the time when I get inside. Like, did I lock the doors? Did I not lock the doors? I don't know. So now I'm running back out the door, trying to dig in my pocket and get the key fob and find the car and hit the lock button. But wouldn't it be nice to save you guys time and have that peace of mind knowing once you get 10 feet away from the car, boom, all the doors locked, you can set it up. Let me show you the walkaway auto lock feature here right now for the Sport and above. All right, so if you guys guess we have to be right here at the driver's interface, you guessed correctly. We're gonna go to settings. From settings, we're gonna scroll down to your door setup. There it is, select that. Then we're gonna go down to walkaway auto lock. There we are. Now you can turn it on or off from this point. There we go. Now, did you guys also know that you have the traffic sign recognition system right in here? So as you're driving down the road, right, it catches the speed limit, I don't know, 45 miles an hour. It throws it right up there for you to let you guys know. And then there's more on top of that. You can turn that on or off. But let's talk about, it's going to warn you too as well. So if you end up speeding, you know what? Let's just dive right in and show you. So we're going to go down there to settings. As you get to settings, you get your driver's assist system setup. Let's select that. Then we're going to scroll right down here to traffic sign recognition system display. Do you turn it on or off? I can't think of a reason why to turn that off, but you know what? Let's keep it on. Now from there, you can also have the vehicle let you know that you're exceeding the speed limit. So let's say, hey, 45 miles an hour. Oh, holy bejeepers, Batman, you're going 46. It's going to warn you. If you don't want it to warn you, if you're going above, you know, from that point, maybe you want to adjust or fine tune that, you can. You can set the setting right here for the threshold when you go above. You can do it at speed limit. You can do it at 3, 5, or 10 miles an hour faster than the speed limit that goes right up there. Hey guys, thanks again for watching my video. I really appreciate you guys' support. You guys can continue showing your support by hitting the like and subscribe. It really helps me out from putting time into these videos to further assist you guys. Once again, if you guys have any questions, drop them down below in the comments, or if you found any features you'd like to share with the community as well, use that down there in the comments. I'd be glad to see those and share those with the community and maybe make a video about it too as well, okay? Thanks again, guys. We'll see you at the next video. Bye-bye.